I already received my voucher, guys. So this is the voucher I received. So let's click use, then use. So this is the USDT subscribe to the earn. You can only withdraw the reward of this capital. So confirm. So go to earn wallet. So as you can see, guys, get a kite. So it's worth 120 pesos or $2. So this is I earned, guys, from task number 6. So this is I received 199 USDC earn trial fund voucher. So next task is Spot Bazaar. The requirements, guys, trade 225 in volume, guys, spot market. So click trade. So yan, I choose market order. You can trade 40 USDC or any amount as long as you accumulate 225 US dollar volume. So buy and sell. Then after you finish the task, open the box. Then you will earn a reward. I earned 17 kite. So another task, guys, Friends Plaza. So the task details: invite friends. So your friends must complete $50 of trades. A new user who sign up Binance with KYC. So click invite, then share your referral link. So the last task, guys, is this is the biggie reward. It will unlock when Friends Plaza task is finished. So if you don't have yet Binance, so you can sign up in my link, guys, in my description box below. And po, thank you for watching.